Hello everyone, today we are talking about how to kick cough and flu from our chicken farm using these herbal remedies. These are the herbal remedies. We have mint, we have ginger, we have turmeric, we have cayenne pepper. Those are the ones we bought. So first of all, before we go into the preparation of it, we now know the herbs. We should know that flu and cough is common in both young chicks and older chickens. And how do you know that they have flu and cough? Number one, by observation. You look at them. You look at them, how they're behaving. At times they be scratching their eyes. Looks like what thing is coming out of it. At times, others even can lead to loss of appetite. They'll be eating but not how they used to eat. And another way you can know they have cough and flu, you just do scouting. You just walk around, you see how they're behaving. You will hear they're making that sound, they're shaking their head, or even at times you see flu coming out of their nose if you observe it clearly. So means already your flock or your chicken has already been attacked by flu and cough. Flu and cough, first of all, transmits by moving hair. That's number one. And another thing, it can also spread as a result of poor sanitation. If you're not cleaning their house well, or you're not changing the litter often, then another thing that can cause flu and cough to chickens is just dust. Too much dust can be around where the chicken coop is, or any source of dust. So we now know the causes of flu. Now how will we treat it with our natural remedies? You pound. If you don't have a blender, if you have blender, you can blend. The first thing, you wash the remedies, the local herbs. After washing, you pound. Me, I have a small mortar, so I pounded in bits. So you pound with your mortar, you pound ginger, you pound turmeric, you pound cayenne pepper, you also pound the mint. All these things, they are fresh. You go and source them from a market near you. You go to the market, you buy fresh ones. You come and prepare, and you give them for 3 to 5 consecutive days. So meaning you buy something that you use for those 3 consecutive days or 5 consecutive days, vary the condition. If it's not so strong, you can give for 3 consecutive days. So after pounding everything, mixing everything with clean water, you now mix with the drinking water which you are going to give them. Just as simple as that. You give them day 1, day 2, day 3. As you're giving them, you're also monitoring. You're seeing if there is improvement. It works. It's a magical herb. It works. So today we have given our chickens. Tomorrow we'll give, and tomorrow but one will give. Also another thing, if you feel like you see those ones which are these chickens which look very weak, you can isolate them. Those ones which look like very, very crucial, very weak, maybe they are eating but they are not eating well, you can isolate them. But if they are, mostly they always eat, but there will be some reduction in their appetite if the condition is serious. So you treat it earlier, because if you don't treat it earlier, it will lead to another bigger sickness, coraza, which also attacks chicken. And also above all, if you had vaccinated them against Newcastle and High B, which is a vaccine, it will also help you. The condition may not be so worst in your flock. So that is it for today. If you find this video was helpful to you, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we also do sell 1 month old sasso chicken, and we also do sell mature birds. So for 1 month you place your order, we brood for you and sell for you, and we deliver across Uganda. In case of any question, you can WhatsApp the number in the video, or you can check the number from the biography. Thank you for watching our video. See you again in our next video.